Very good morning. Welcome to today's media release on tropical the system TD11F. The system that we are monitoring right now is located more than 1,500 kilometers to the northwest of Fiji. It has intensified over the last 12 hours, and it has now become a tropical depression from what it was a tropical disturbance yesterday. And as it is right now, this is where the eye of the system, the center of the system is. It's to the far northwest of us, and it's expected to intensify further, and it will become a tropical cyclone within the next 12 to 24 hours. The anticipation is that once it becomes a tropical cyclone, it will gradually move towards the southeastwards, and it will, on the current track, and it will intensify further into a Category 3 system with winds of around 70 knots close to the center. But we are looking at it from Wednesday and even into Thursday for the system to develop into that strength. The prognosis as it is right now is that it will pass to the southwest of Fiji. It will pass to the southwest of us, and at the same time as well, we're expecting the stronger winds to be closer to the system. At the same time as well, for Fiji, we are should be expecting heavy rain and the strong and gusty winds from Thursday and even into Friday. As the system when it eventually develops into a tropical cyclone and tracks southeastwards, when it reaches southwest of us, we expect the change in the weather. We should be expecting heavy rain. Could be heavy at times, and with strong and gusty winds as well. And this is we're looking at later part Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday, as the system lies and eventually passes our tracks just southwest of Fiji. Rightly stated it, the general advice that we have is for our listeners and the general public to be in tune with the weather reports that are going to be coming around the system, especially as it draws closer to us in terms of the extent of the winds and the rain as well. So it's a good time for the people to be alert and to be aware that there is a system that is, even though it will pass to the southwest of us, but people to know that there is something coming in and to prepare accordingly for it.